Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to show you how you can find all typing features available on this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down to access General Management. If you are using Gboard keyboard, click on Gboard Settings, tap on Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are over here. If you are using default Samsung keyboard though, I need to change mine real quick. Click on Samsung keyboard settings instead. And as you can see, smart typing options are over here. If you wish to access more, click on more typing options and manage all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!